Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge result code out-of-memory error. First, try a hard refresh on the page that shows the error. Press the Ctrl and F5 keys at the same time on your keyboard. This forces Edge to reload the page without using old cached files. In many cases, this alone can fix the problem. If the error still appears, clear the browser data. Open Microsoft Edge and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, open Settings. Now go to Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you see Clear Browsing Data and click on Choose What to Clear. Set the time range to All Time. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Then click Clear Now. Restart Edge after this step. Next, check your extensions. Click the three dots again and open Extensions. Turn off all extensions using the toggle switch. After that, restart Edge and open the page again. If the error is gone, one of the extensions is causing the issue. Turn the extensions back on one by one and test the page each time. When the error comes back, the last extension you enabled is the problem. Remove or keep that extension disabled. These steps should fix the out-of-memory error in most cases. Thanks for watching.